everybody, it's Jillian from Mama's Craft Sanctuary here with our craft of the week. Today we're going to be looking at the Martha Stewart Punch Around the Page punches, which we have several options of right here. And the main trick, one thing you need to know for this, is you got to start with the right size. That is the trick to the punch around the page. Let's get started. I have selected the ones that I want to use today. For each one, you're going to need the long kind of edge punch, and then you're also going to need the corner punch. So each one of them opens up, as you can see. This one just opens up like that. The corner, a little sneakier, but there's little edges here that pull out, and that'll help you guide your paper to the right spot. A lot of people have gotten these before thinking they're really fun and then gotten really frustrated when they don't line up, when your corner doesn't line up with this, and then it ends up looking really dumb. So the trick to it is just that you have to start with the right size piece of paper. So I'm going to put the sizes up on the screen for you, so you know that those are basically your options for this. If you want to fiddle around and try some different things, you can, but definitely try it with scrap paper first. But if you start with one of these sizes, you should be good to go. So I've gone ahead and cut this to 3 1/4 by 8 1/2. That's what I'm gonna work with today. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the corners. You're gonna punch all 4 corners first. And it's pretty easy because it just lines up with these handy dandy little guides. Each one of these has a guide for butting up against the corner, and then also for the straight edges. So with this one, we're gonna line it up against that side and this side. And it's okay if they're a little smidge off. That's usually not gonna be very noticeable. Let me put it here so you can see. Ta-da. And then to do the long side here, we're gonna line up the corner again with this side here. A little hard to do this from a different angle than I normally do it, but there we go. So the edge of the paper should line up against here, and then we're matching that design there. Now we're gonna just move it along, and now we're gonna use this guide here. Oh, so you know I messed up a little bit there. I definitely recommend, as I mentioned, this is a good thing to practice first on some scrap paper, because you